How to deposit on Afriq Arbitrage System. Step 1. Visit www.afriqarbitrage.us. On the home page, click the login button located at the top right corner of the screen. Step 2. Type in your login details as provided during registration. Click on the login button to enter your account. Step 3. On the Afriq Arbitrage dashboard, click on the hamburger icon on the top left corner of the screen to reveal the menu options. Step 4. Click on the deposit to reveal more deposit options, then select deposit. Step 5. Select USDT TRC20 wallet. Enter the amount you wish to deposit, then click confirm to continue. Transfer money to the USDT TRC20 wallet shown to you. Note: do not close this page. Minimize the page, then head over to your preferred crypto wallet to complete the payment process. For the sake of this tutorial, we would be using Binance, but the process is similar with other crypto wallets. On the Binance app, click on the Wallets icon to view your wallet. Click on Spot Wallets. On Spot Wallet, click Withdraw to reveal withdrawal options. Select USDT. Select Send via Crypto Network. Paste the USDT wallet address that was generated by Afriq Arbitrage System on the address field. Select Network, then scroll down to Tron TRC20. Click Confirm to continue. Enter the USDT amount you want to transfer. The amount I entered is $22. Click Withdraw. Click Confirm. You need to follow secure verification steps to withdraw money. After USDT is successfully transferred, return to your Afriq Arbitrage dashboard and stay on the payment screen until your payment is approved. Please note, your return on investment countdown timer will begin immediately your payment is verified. Congratulations! Your payment of 22 USDT has been confirmed.